formerly musicians met, they were singing raw without any other instruments apart from our African drums. And so when these musicians got to learn about the guitar and started singing alongside with this guitar, they attracted certain type of followers. And these followers, the local people term them to be high life people, people who were playing live very high, you see. So it came about, you people are high life people. You always want to lead a very high life.
I did a recording in London in 1963 when we had a very bad winter. In fact, it was so cold that elephants in zoos had to be given champagne before they could move. It tells you how severe the cold was. I'll sing you a few lines. And then we can approach. I'm a sumo drumme. Bakwan kuhunu no dance for. And then we can approach. I'm a sumo drumme. Bakwan kuhunu no dance for. But upon the end, we are seeing the better than the answer the fear. A brass woman who are money here. Many people will push him. Abrocha bravo minion, abrocha bravo, abrocha bravo, abrocha bravo mi yedenyo. I travel a lot. I visit chiefs, kings.